IKEA is the most popular furniture brand that is known for its timeless designs that can be modern and retro, classic and edgy at the same time. Today we are discussing IKEA chairs and stools that you can renovate to fit your space perfectly. Let's begin. 1. This IKEA lat chair with a soft seat made of foam and bright printed fabric to make the piece more comfortable. 2. An IKEA Ivar chair decoupaged with old magazines and paint for a bold and contemporary look. 3. IKEA Nordmyra chair refreshed with an old map will show off your love to traveling and your adventurous spirit. 4. This one is IKEA Frosta stool painted with color blocking, can double as a side table. 5. A basic IKEA office chair reupholstered with moody floral fabric and gold spray painted base and legs. 6. A simple IKEA frame chair hack with brown leather is very stylish and will fit many rooms and lots of decor styles. 7. This IKEA Poang chair with a matching footrest reupholstered to match a mid-century modern space. 8. An IKEA rattan chair hacked with colorful yarn and tassels is a very easy and fast craft that will give your chair a boho feel. 9. An IKEA screw stud chair makeover with gold legs. Just use some spray paint and add faux fur. 10. An IKEA Snilly chair hack with gold spray paint and faux fur results is a very glam piece. 11. This one is IKEA Vilmar chair marbled using Mod Podge. Paints and brushes look super catchy, bold, and outstanding. 12. IKEA Dalfred stools hacked with gold and copper paint. Just paint some parts of them to make them bolder and more elegant. 13. Simple outdoor IKEA chairs painted bright watercolors for summer. They will bring much color to your space. 14. IKEA Cobalt chair hack with leopard printed seat and gold casters makes it extra bold and very mobile. 15. An IKEA screw stud chair renovated with some old denim and refreshed with a colorful pillow for a relaxed feel. 16. A simple IKEA kitchen chair reupholstered with bright printed fabric to make it bolder and more catchy. 17. A comfortable IKEA Luna chair reupholstered with graphic print black and white fabric and with a printed pillow. 18. This is IKEA Tolsta chair renovation with polka dots and bright pink patterns and finished with a printed crochet pillow. 19. An IKEA Tolsta chair painted in bold yellow using fabric paint and with a mint pillow for a brighter look. 20. A reupholstered with a bright botanical print fabric IKEA Tolsta chair is a bold idea and you could fit any fabric you like.